In today's video, we are going to go over the basics of how to operate a carrier refrigeration unit that has a Cooltrax two-way system installed. Post-installation, you'll notice that there are two main differences from the standard factory setup. The main difference is that the on-off switch has now become a push button. You'll also notice a red missile cover fitted over the factory toggle switch. This is a maintenance switch that is used by technicians whilst working on a piece of equipment. We will now run over system functionality. In order to turn the system on, you'll need to press the push button on the control panel. As you'll see, it has been mounted on the refrigeration unit display module and is clearly marked on the yellow mounting plate. After pressing the on-off switch, you'll notice a green halo will illuminate around the outer edge of the push button. This indicates that the fridge has been switched on and will soon power up and start. Please be patient and don't push the button multiple times or repeatedly. Most modern refrigeration units can take a little while for the screen to energize and illuminate, and the engine to start. Similarly, to turn the system off, you'll need to press the same button. Immediately, you'll hear the refrigeration unit engine cut out. The green halo around the button will disappear, and after about 30 seconds, the display will also go out. The maintenance switch provides an inbuilt safety function and should only be used by technicians whilst they are servicing the equipment. When switched into the off position, the maintenance switch will cut the engine out and shut the fridge down if it is running. To summarize, the maintenance switch has the following functions. It is primarily used by technicians whilst they are working on equipment. When switched in the off position, it will not allow the refrigeration unit to be switched on remotely by any user via the Cooltrax website. This is to protect any technician servicing the equipment by preventing the system from starting up without warning. It's important to note that if the maintenance switch is left in the off position, it will appear on the Cooltrax portal like so, with a blue spanner logo displayed beside the asset name. The blue spanner indicates that the reefer is in maintenance mode. As mentioned prior, this means that the refrigeration unit won't be able to be remotely switched on via the Cooltrax portal, and you'll need to verify whether or not a technician is working on the system. Or alternatively, if another staff member has used the maintenance switch in order to turn the fridge off. After all repair works are completed on the refrigeration unit, the maintenance switch should be placed back into the on position. If you need assistance with understanding how to operate your refrigeration units using the Cooltrax two-way controls, or anything else shown in the video, please don't hesitate to contact our support team. You can get in touch with us by calling the landline number shown on this slide, or alternatively, via email on support@cooltrax.com. If you liked this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions or other video topics you'd like to see covered, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.